Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a folder on a Mac computer 3 different ways. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to remember some of these Mac keyboard shortcuts so we can start the tutorial. So let's just go to the desktop. Number 1, right click new folder. To create a new folder on screen, what we can also do is use a keyboard shortcut, Shift, Command and N for new folder, and there we go, we have the second folder on screen. Now the third way is to go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for terminal, open that up. Increase the size of the terminal window, Command plus a couple of times, let's just clear the contents on screen and do CD desktop, semicolon, ls-l to see all the contents on screen. And so what we are looking to do is create another folder, and the command is make directory. So mkdir, let's just say folder, enter, and there we go, the third folder on screen. So we can now clear the contents on screen. We can now quit terminal. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.